Today, we're checking out the top 5 best Airbnbs to stay at when visiting the gorgeous Phuket, Thailand. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and comment saying I subscribed, and we will personally respond to your comment. All the links to each property will be in the description. Also, make sure to watch until the end to discover the top Airbnb in the Phuket, Thailand area. Without further ado, let's get into the video. This heavily forested mountainside beach town has grown to become one of the most popular destinations on the western Thailand shore. This exotic alternative to typical Spanish-style beach towns found in Mexico has become one of the hottest premier travel destinations, home to top-tier seaside resorts, spas, and restaurants. Its capital, Phuket City, holds bustling markets, while Patong, the main resort town, holds all the best nightclubs, bars, and discos. If you're looking for a unique take on your next beachy getaway, Phuket is not one to skip out on. Here's the top 5 best Airbnbs to stay at in Phuket. Number 5. Modern Thai Villa on the Peninsula. If you're in the market for a taste of exotic modern luxury, this villa really has it all. Step up to its royal-looking entrance, guarded by 2 panther-like statues, situated in front of the 2 rocky pillars holding up the gorgeous corridor, with a large glass-pane door that allows you to view the dynamic setting this triangular-shaped villa is enclosed in. Located along the Samsara Peninsula, this modern villa delivers ultra-modern interior designs that immerse you into a breath of luxury, while still maintaining Thai cultural accents throughout. From its open concept design, with black accented metal detailing throughout, to amenities like a full-service sauna, large screening room for all your entertainment needs, industry-leading style gym, and even a game room equipped with a pool table. This gorgeous villa really has no shortage of amenities to make your exotic stay the most luxurious yet. Able to accommodate up to 10 guests, this modern Thai villa clocks in at 5 bedrooms that hold a total of 6 beds and 5 bathrooms, ensuring that your large party is fully satisfied, with room to spread out and relax after a long day of laps in the breathtaking infinity pool that faces the sea at this cliff-top estate. Aside from its massive glass-lined terraces, this villa is filled with beautiful art pieces, stone statues, Buddhas, and many other bits of detail capable of transforming this luxury oasis into a cultural immersion space. You can book this amazing Airbnb for $1,387 a night. Number 4. Viman At Samsara. Whether you're looking to take things to the next level of luxury, or just have a larger group to accommodate on your next vacation, this cliffside villa estate is the one for you. An aerial view of this gorgeous property resembles a celebrity compound, as its ultra-modern exterior shows just how great your time staying here will be, while still maintaining that typical Thai modern design with triangular structures and a pillar-guarded entrance with large glass-pane doors. This oceanfront masterpiece features tastes of modern luxury throughout, with gorgeous open-concept interior spaces and appropriate furniture designs for such a high-profile property. Featuring nearly 360-degree views of the Andaman Sea and Patong Bay, this gorgeous villa pours out onto wraparound terraces, bubbling jacuzzis, and of course, a standard infinity pool that blends into the oceanfront views. Clocking in at 6 bedrooms, holding 8 beds and 10 bathrooms, this massive property is able to accommodate up to 14 guests. Perfect for your next large family gathering or beachy friend group getaway. You can book this stay for $1,960 a night. Number 3. Villa Talaifoon. Ready for a once-in-a-lifetime resort experience typical for only the most elite of guests? Then Villa Talaifoon is right for you. Situated in Ayara Kamala, one of the most exclusive headlands on Phuket, this gorgeous property offers towering views of the breathtaking Andaman Ocean. Between interiors that provide an unmatched experience compared to many Kamala Beach villas in the area, and 2 levels that feature zen garden paths and breathtaking balconies, this Thai-inspired design is nothing short of a highly sought-after experience. Your guests can enter this oasis and sit back in relaxation along the wide infinity pool, perched on one of the many resort-style beach chairs to soak in the sun and take in that breath of ocean air. Or they could step into the interiors, which are filled with uniquely carved furniture, soft white curtains which are able to be pulled aside, transforming the space into a cool oasis with the Thai sun beaming down. The beautiful pathways and walkways of this property's gardens and green spaces are perfect for mindful walkers looking for a serene escape from what will be an exciting, fun-filled stay for your large gathering. This property lies right on the Millionaire's Mile, just a few minutes from Kamala Beach in the north, and Patong Beach just a little further than that. Overall, clocking in at 6 bedrooms, holding 8 beds and 6 bathrooms, this villa is able to accommodate up to 12 guests for your next beachy getaway in style. You can book this stay for $3,300 a night. Number 2. Andara Phuket Villa. Looking for breathtaking ocean views with a twist? This luxury villa has it all and so much more, with views of the mountainsides that slope into the ocean in front. Situated just a short walk away from Kamala Beach, this luxury property brings the best modern comforts money can buy, while still being able to maintain a rich sense of Thai heritage and interior designs. With dark wood trimmed accents throughout and similar hardwood flooring that immerses you into a unique experience, where modern luxury and cultural immersion meet. Maybe take a relaxing dip in the massive master bathroom's bathtub, which features unobstructed ocean views through its large glass-paned windows. Step outside to the villa's unique outdoor living spaces that feature many beach lounge seating options to soak in the sun, peering over the wide infinity pool. This gorgeous Airbnb can accommodate up to 10 guests with 5 bedrooms holding 6 beds and 5 bathrooms, perfect for an intimate gathering of pure luxury. You can book this stay for $4,026 a night. Number 1. 98 East. Judging purely by the name of this property, you'd assume it would be plopped in the middle of a bustling city. But make no mistake, as this massive resort-style compound property, situated on a large plot of land, will provide you with the best exotic stay you will ever experience. With gorgeous and massive interior spaces that resemble a top-notch mansion and furniture that resembles just that vision, this villa will add that next level of luxury to your exotic getaway. Bask in the outdoor spaces, where tropical sun rays glitter on the massive infinity pool. Well-kept gardens surround the space, and double-height ceilings bring great light into these sleek interiors, making for a perfect, luxurious stay for your beachy getaway. Capable of accommodating up to 12 guests, with 6 bedrooms holding 6 beds and a whopping 8 bathrooms, this ultra-modern listing is one not to miss out on. You can book this stay for an impressive $13,500 a night. There you have it. These were the top 5 best Airbnbs to consider for your next luxury vacation in the beautiful Phuket, Thailand. Offering a unique take on the meaning of beachy getaways, this destination should be next on anyone's list. Thanks so much for watching. Comment below the property you like the most. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a new video. Want to see more top Airbnbs in Asia? Click on this playlist next.